How to fix Memefi Not Opening. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on the settings of the Telegram application on your device just to go to the app info. You can also make a long press and tap on app info. After tapping on the app info option, select on the clear data option available at the top right or the bottom right corner of the screen. Then clear cache and then tap on OK. You can also clear data if it's possible. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. After that, go to the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have an updated version of the Telegram application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and see if the problem has been fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.